front of the helmet with an alcohol wipe. Step 2, heat up the sticky pad on the back of the chin mount. Cause it to get extra sticky, ensuring the best possible fit. Hold it down for a solid minute, and wait 24 hours before mounting anything to it. Remove the old lens. Twist right off. Put the new lens on the GoPro and turn clockwise. Throw it into the GoPro media mod. Take your external microphone and tape it to the inside of your helmet. Like so. I really don't think this is going to do much, but it's worth a try. Clearly, if you don't have an external microphone, you're going to want to turn that 512 hertz down. Alright guys, you tell me, what does the audio sound like? See what it sounds like on the highway.